Hi guys, welcome to PHP Demi. Today I want to walk you through the process on how I developed this PHP CRUD with Ajax and Bootstrap model. Without further ado, let's take a demonstration and see how it works. So first, we add our value or data to the database. We can edit, and also we can delete. So now that we have seen that it's working perfectly, let's go see how we could achieve this. First off, I started by ensuring that my server is up and running. You can see Apache and MySQL is running perfectly. Next was to create the database called Ajax CRUD and then a table called customers. So here is my table structure. When you click on table, you will see the table columns. Next was to connect my database to my project. So this is the database connection file, which I titled db_connect.php. Now the next thing was I created another file called functions.php, in which I included the connection file and then started my session, and then also added a session function to set the session based on a particular value. Then these other two functions right here are for success and for failure. In case of any bug in our code, the fail section will be prompted. Next was to create our table. As you can see, we've included the function file at the very top, and then we're using Bootstrap 5.3.3. Then next was to include our function of success and the failure. So if it is success, you'll show success message. If it is fail, you show fail message. And then we fetch our data from the table and then output them in the HTML table right here. Next was to add our model for add, edit, and then delete. And also we included jQuery 3.7.1, and then here is our Ajax function. So next, let's look at the CRUD. So this is where all the actions, the processing, and what have you takes place. So guys, this is just a very brief demonstration of how you can create a CRUD system with Ajax and Bootstrap model without refreshing your page. Let's also see. So as you can see, when you have nothing in the fields, it also gives you an error. So all fields are required. We'll try that again. We'll see that all fields are required. Now when we add our fields, we get our output, and then we can as well edit again, and then we have the name. We can also edit the email and put IN and update, and then we have it right there, and then we can as well delete. So guys, see you in the next video, and bye.